exercise is a core exercise, utilizing all core muscles as well as engaging the legs and the upper body. So it's a really great kind of overall core strengthening exercise. So we start with our ball. You're going to be laying on your back. I take the ball between my legs. It's helpful to have bare skin because it'll hold the ball better. We have a little bit of tactile against the ball. I'm going to take my arms up to my 5th position. And then from here, I lift up the legs. 1 and 2. Body comes up. 3, 4. I'm going to take the ball, come back down, leave the legs. 5 and 6. Back up. 7, 8. Reach and lengthen. 2, 3, 4. Lower. 5, 6, 7, 8. Legs up. 2. Body up. 4. Body down. 6. Body up. Reach. 2, 3, 4. Lower. 5, 6, 7, 8.